What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. I'm on my way to work this morning. I just wanted to tell you guys something, kind of tell you where I'm at. I need your guys' feedback. I want to be honest, I'm feeling a little bit burnt out. I've been doing 3 videos a week and I've seen consistent growth, and I appreciate you guys that watch, but there's just no excitement. I feel like I'm putting out videos just to put them out. So I'm gonna make a change. I'm gonna be doing 2 uploads a week. We'll do Monday and Thursday. And guys, if I have any bonus content, I will go ahead and drop that when I have it. But I want you guys to tell me what you want to see from me. I would love to show you more of the shop, my other barbers, more of myself and what I'm doing on a daily basis. I just don't really know how to go about it or what you guys would like to see. So leave me some feedback, leave it in the comment section down below, what you guys want to see. If you want to see some vlogs, if you want to see some different things like that, just please let me know and I will work on that for you guys. I just want to be excited about this again and bring you guys some excitement to the channel. So anyway, enough about that. We'll get right into this video. Guys, this video is a side shave on my girl Tiffany. I've been cutting her hair for about 7 years. Lots of designs on this head. Anyway, it's a side shave with a little freestyle design. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're going to jump right into this cut. This is a number 2 closed on the Gamma Ergo. We're going to go straight up off the ridge of the head. You guys can see already how light the side of her head is, and this is a number 2. So I will actually try to take a 1.5 and fade the rest of the side down to match the light spot at the front before we go in and do a little design. And I'm just being real careful to hold that long hair out of the way. You want to make sure you don't clip any of that long hair, so I'll just use my hand and hold it out of the way, and then come in with the clipper and make sure I get all the hair next to that. Now you can see the 1.5 has made it a little bit more consistent. Still have a light spot up there at the front, but we will continue to work this around, try to make it more consistent on the side. We can come in, do a little design, and we'll do a little taper underneath. Now we're coming in with the 1 guard all the way open, and you guys can see I'm trying to lighten up everything below that light spot to kind of make it all match. And you'll see as we blend this part in, it will actually come together and kind of look pretty consistent on this whole side. Then we're gonna come in and start our design. Kind of gonna go all over the place on this cut. We're gonna do a little bit of fade. We're gonna go ahead and line up around the ear. Then we'll do our design. Then we'll do the side taper, and then come in and polish everything up. But guys, I just have one side to do, so I just kind of work my way through it. I want to make sure it turns out the best, so I'm just gonna go little by little. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and edge up around the ear so I can see a little bit of finished product. Then I'm gonna rough draft in my design. That way I can see where it's gonna sit before I taper out the sideburn, and then we can kind of bring it all together at the end. Now I'm going to come in with my custom FX. We're going to do a straight line all the way back off the vertical bar. Then we'll do another line underneath, slightly slanted. This design is something I think looks good on her. Obviously, like we said, she has that light spot, so this is going to kind of fill that light spot, take your eye away from it, and then we'll do a taper underneath. Now I'm going to invert my trimmer and hit that second side of that line and make sure it's sharp. I am being very, very light. We are going to come in with a razor later, so I don't want to take this too thick right away. I want to leave us some room to come in later and sharpen that up. Now we'll come in and start the taper. Of course, guys, same steps as always. Slimline at the bottom. Go ahead and ball it out with the shaver. Then we'll do our open section after that. Now, just like normal, we punch the line in with the Slimline, so we will start off by scooping it out with the Slimline. Then we can go straight to a closed clipper and work that line up a little bit more. After that, we'll open it halfway and we'll work the last line out in this section. After that, we know there's a 1 guard open above this, so you'll see me go through it one time with it open just to make sure everything's cut down. Now we'll close it up and start to work that line out. Anything that's left between those 2 sections will come out with our half guard. You guys will see the half guard is going to bring this together. Then we can kind of fine tune this. We're just going to work our way through this side one more time and make sure that everything is cut down to the length that we want, and then it's nice and consistent before we come in and do the edge up and start on our color enhancement. come in and edge up the C cup here. You guys can see it's very light. I did not have my autofocus on my camera, so I don't know why this is just starting to glow all of a sudden. But it's gonna be very light. We will do a little bit of enhancement on it, but I did want to give it a nice, just a little bit of a sharp edge up. Now we're gonna come in and do some color enhancement. This is my color enhancement card. You guys can grab one at the link down below, Seancutshair.com. I'm using the 245 no drip. This is the black brown, and this is the Beam Team XL compressor. So you guys see, I'll just use my card to stencil that line and make sure I spray it on the hair and not on the skin. Now I can flip that upside down and do the bottom edge of that line. After that, we'll come in, do some razor work, clean this thing up. You guys can check out the end result. Forgot to hit that C cup earlier, so we'll go ahead and just enhance that C cup slightly. Just want to make it look a little bit sharper. I'm gonna come in with some 245 shave gel. I will rub that in nice and get it saturated on the skin. We'll come in with our razor and we'll get these lines super sharp. So this is the 245 triple cartridge razor with the exposed blade. I definitely like the exposed. When I'm doing stuff like this, I can really see what I'm doing. Get in there and do some nice, sharp, detailed lines. Now we're just gonna come in and do some finishing touches. I'm gonna make sure the C cup is nice and balded out. You guys see right here, this is the Gamma or the StyleCraft Uno shaver, the small single foil, and it is perfect for touching up next to a C cup like that. Now I'm just gonna make sure my lines are nice and sharp, double check everything. I'll run through this taper one more time and make sure it's exactly where I want it, and we'll be done. All right, so there's the before, definitely grown out, definitely time to get it nice and cleaned up. She was long overdue. And there you go, guys, there's the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this cut. Make sure you subscribe and have the bell notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my content that I drop. I'll catch you guys next time.